tonight. I want you all the way inside. Do you recognize his
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl deja.zhane, and today I will be doing a Morphe makeup tutorial with the new 35M palette, Boss Mood. This is the 35M Boss Mood palette that just came out. I think it came out maybe like 2 weeks ago, a week ago. I don't know, but hey, we about to do it today, and this is the look. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'm gonna go in with this Revolution makeup, you know what it is, the concealer girl. And I'm gonna prime my eyelids with this. Okay, as my transition shade, I'm gonna use Play It Cool and Fired Up. Alright, now that we're all fired up, you get it? Fired up, because that was the name of the eyeshadow. This color we'll be going in with is a Vampy Vixen. That's that really like reddish color.
Every piece of this moment is so deep, and each guess that you take is my focus. You write a dark stone, want me just from, let my lips perform.
I have the Vampy Vixen on. I kind of deepened it in like the creases or whatever to make it look more like sultry. For the dark brown I want to use on like the lid, I'll be using Sparks Fly and Talk Dirty.
I just wanna hold you when I'm lonely. I just wanna be your one and only. I just wanna take it up a notch now. Talking about no ceremony. Look me in my eyes and speak to me. Take me to heaven. Take me to heaven. Ooh.
I ended up putting Sparks Fly on top. I put Sparks Fly first, and then on top of Sparks Fly, I applied Talk Dirty. Talk Dirty is more of like a coffee color, like a coffee, and Sparks Fly has like it's more on the mahogany side, a brown. It has like a reddish undertone. No, that's Sparks Fly, and that's Talk Dirty. Sparks Fly is more red, Talk Dirty is more of a yellowy brown. Just to kind of deepen up make it more, I don't know, smoked out, I guess, I'm going to add a little black magic here and there.
Come down to earth. You make me come first. Put it in reverse tonight. I want you all the way inside. Do you recognize his vibe?
So I took a little bit of that color Play It Cool and I dragged it underneath my eye just to kind of get the smokiness back, because when I put the gold on top, it kind of made it look not how I wanted it to look, so I fixed it. I'm gonna apply my Hourglass mascara, and I really like it. I don't know if it's the brush that I like more, or if it's the formula, or I don't know. The brush is nice though. Yeah, I like brushes with more bristles on it like that.
I just wanna be your one and only. I just wanna take it up a notch now. I ain't talking about no ceremony. Look me in my eyes and speak to me. Take me to heaven. Take me to heaven. Ooh.
Alright, so I applied my mascara and eyelashes off camera. And I put a little purple eyeliner in my waterline. So now I'm going to, I already contoured, so I'm just going to put on a little blush. I think I'm going to use the color Fired Up as my blush.
I'm feeling high, and I can't come down, my legs are weak, and I'm breathing like I'm suffocating. While we hit a peak, you're feeling way too motherfucking good for me. No, baby, you're
Set my face.
it's electrifying when we take this ride.
Alright, so I'm going to go in with my new fave. It's the NYX Liquid Suede in the color, what is it called again? I forgot. Downtown Beauty. Let's get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Times I spent with someone else.
Do you enjoy me? Am I not for you? Do you feel free, babe? Hold me like voodoo. What do it?
Alright. So, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know I did, girl. I know I did. So, what you can do is subscribe and watch my previous videos. And comment down below what you all want to see next. Thank you all for watching and peace out.